Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Pendle Hill for Pendle Hill part number 2 as requested by Sonic Buster X2000. I know you requested me to vlog from platform number 3, mate, and that's exactly where I'll head after I film this K-set depart, unless another train decides to pass. This is a Campbelltown service, stopping all stations to Campbelltown. Its following stop will be Westmead. The set is K81. Now I'll just give you a little pan of Pendle Hill. 4 platforms.
Customers on platform 1. The next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Walking down to platform number 3 and 4. Next train on platform 3 doesn't stop. Next train on platform 4 doesn't stop. Also, the next train on platform 1 doesn't stop. Next train on platform 2 doesn't stop.
Nothing's stopping.
Not at all. Let's walk down to the Sydney end of platforms 3 and 4. And while I'm here, I will possibly film a little clip for vlog 1000. And there's a DTRS tower. For those who don't know what DTRS stands for, it stands for Digital Train Radio System. And for LL Freakout, there's 2 signals here. The one just there is M17.4 and this one here is S17.4. The M in M17.4 stands for main and the S stands for suburban. A77 passing platform number 1, steady service. We've got a Waratah about to fly past platform number 4, Penrith service. That is A62. That train's next up will be Seven Hills, followed by Blacktown, Doonside, Ruddy Hill, and all stations to Penrith. North Sydney service arriving into platform number 1. H35 is the front 4 cars. What the heck was that? I meant H35 is the front 4 cars. North Sydney service now departing, or about to depart platform number 1. The rear 4 cars, H49. Emu plane service now arriving into platform 4. A9. As you guys know, I may not film the whole train arrive, depending on if the guard comes out, because I do not want to get the guard in the video. Again, the set is A9. This train will stop all stations to Penrith, then Emu planes. And the train came from North Sydney. A64 passing platform number 1, city service. This train's next up will be Westmead. We've got a Schofields bound K-set arriving into platform number 4. This train will stop all stations at Schofields. The set is K70. It's the middle of summer and it's bloody freezing. There's a Campbelltown bound K-set just about to depart platform number 1. This train will stop all stations to Campbelltown via the Cumberland Y-Link. The leading car is C3519. is K64. The next trains on all platforms do not stop. The set was A36 and it's going to Penrith. Waratah A38 city service passing platform 1. Central via Parramatta is on the Desto. North Sydney service now departing platform number 1. Front 4 cars, H30, and this train is a North Sydney service. The rear 4 cars, H27. This train's a North Sydney service and will stop all stations to Lidcombe, followed by Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern Central and all to North Sydney. We've got a Blue Mountains V set about to pass platform number 3, V46. We have an Emu Plains bound K-set arriving into platform 4. This is actually rostered to be a Tangara, which is odd. Front 4 cars, K87. Can't tell you the rear 4 cars, but yeah, anyway, I'm going to wrap the vlog up. I hope you enjoyed that. Lots of fast trains and variety and whatnot. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Goodbye for now.